Welcome to Travel with Suri, a true oasis, a vacationer's paradise in Arizona. Here you will find resorts, spas, canyons, red rock formations, great hiking spots, and the dramatic architecture of the Chapel of the Holy Cross. Vortex energy here is so powerful that you can actually feel it. It was in my bucket list for 2 years, and finally I had a chance to visit the city. Welcome to Sedona. Devil's Bridge hike is most popular hike in Sedona and a moderate 4-mile round-trip hike with sweeping views of Sedona. With a 4-wheel drive car, you can directly drive to the Devil's Bridge Trailhead parking lot and start hiking. But if you don't have a 4-wheel drive car, you can park your car in Tri Creek Trailhead and walk for 1 mile to the Devil's Bridge Trailhead. The 1 mile from the Tri Creek Trailhead to the Devil's Bridge Trailhead is not paved and is dirt. From the trailhead, the hike gradually slopes upward as it winds its way through the trees. The trail is easy to follow, and after about 3/4 of a mile, you will reach a rock staircase. Near the top, there is a wide open lookout that provides incredible views back the way you came. At the end of the trail, you will reach a fork that will lead you either to the base of the bridge or a climb to the top. The left path will take you to the bottom and you can look up at the top of the bridge. The trail to the right will be a steep trail to the top of the Devil's Bridge where you can walk across the sandstone. This trail is rocky and requires a series of climbing and stair stepping. The Devil's Bridge is the largest natural sandstone arch in Sedona and an iconic landmark. It provides the thrill seeker some excitement with the fact that the bridge is only 5 feet wide but spans 45 feet long. If you are visiting the area, this hike is a must-do. Airport Mesa is a short and easy drive that leads to 360-degree views of Sedona. It's a great place to watch sunset, and it takes very little effort to get there. There is no other hike in Sedona area that offers such awe-inspiring view as the Sedona Airport Mesa Loop Trail. It offers hikers a 360-degree panorama with views of almost every major red rock landmark along the perimeter at an elevation of 4,500 feet. From the Airport Mesa Vista, you will have unobstructed view of Thunder Mountain, Chimney Rock, Ship Rock, Coffee Pot Rock, and many other famous red rock formations. The Amitabha Stupa and Peace Park in the stunning red rock country of Sedona is a place for meditation and spiritual renewal. Situated on 14 acres at the base of imposing Thunder Mountain, the land is deemed holy by native people. This place is perfect for its intended purpose: spiritual transformation and healing through the extraordinary sacred architecture and geometry of the stupa. The Chapel of the Holy Cross is a Roman Catholic church built into the red rock of Sedona. Completed in 1956, the chapel was under construction for 18 months and cost a total of $300,000. Tucked between massive red boulders, the chapel is more widely known as one of America's man-made wonders. The sunlight streaming through the stained glass window is likely to make any visitor appreciate the glory of nature and man's ability to harness that power to create beauty in the desert. Even for those without a religious connection, the massive chapel is picturesque enough to make the trip worthwhile. Hiking Cathedral Rock Trail is worth the trip to Sedona, worth the challenging climb to the top. The trail begins right off of Back Oak Beyond Road. You will cross the junction between Cathedral Rock Trail and Easy Breezy Trail as well as a small creek before you begin your ascent. Once you hike over a fairly rocky section, you will arrive at the base of crevasse. Many hikers at this point turned around or waited there deciding if they were going to proceed. The crag rises at a 45-degree angle for approximately 40 feet. Ample hand and footholds make the ascent manageable, but for those who are wary of heights, this portion might be a deal breaker. You will reach a second plateau area where many people rested. You can see how close the summit is at this point. And with the hardest part of the hike behind you, it's only a matter of time before you are at the top. A steady length of the trail, a rocky staircase, and a few switchbacks past an elegant juniper tree are all that is left. But due to shortage of sunlight, as it was around 7 o'clock, we decided to return. It was a little bit disappointing, but safety comes first. Your vortex is believed to be a rare place on Earth where energy enters or projects out of the planet's core. At Stonehenge, the Great Pyramids of Egypt, and Sedona's Red Rock, for example. There are certain places in Sedona where people believe you can feel the vortices stronger than in other locations where the electromagnetic energy is concentrated. Oak Creek, where it runs next to Cathedral Rock, is called Red Rock Crossing and considered a strong vortex as well as sacred area in Native American history. The vortex energy of this area is said to be feminine, providing feelings of softness, receptiveness, and compassion. The vortex is reported at its strongest right on the creek at its closest point to the rock formation. Regardless of how one feels about vortexes, there are many delightful spots in this area to relax in the sun, experience the Oak Creek, enjoy the scenery, and perhaps even unknowingly take in the vortex energy. Pink Jeep Tour is a great way to see amazing views of Sedona. This trail has 3 amazing stops. It was fun with our guide driving around in the Jeep off-roading. The Jeep was amazing in all it could handle on the road. It felt very safe even as we drove off cliffs. Great tour. This is Sedona downtown, a very beautiful place. The uptown Sedona is a great place to start your visit to get to know the town and its people. Do some shopping. Uptown Sedona is the heart of the town. This half-a-mile stretch north of the intersection of Highway 89A and 179 is Sedona's old town. Its shopping district and home to a variety of restaurants and cafes. Perched high above the banks of Oak Creek, this is where the action happens. Today, Uptown Sedona is a vibrant hub of galleries, shops, touring companies, and world-class restaurants. A Sedona landmark since the 1970s, Taloqupaqui treats visitors and local residents to an exceptional collection of galleries, shops, and dining establishments. Perched at the intersection of routes 89A and 179, this sizable outdoor shopping center was designed in the style of a traditional Mexican village. The complex was built on a former sycamore grove and special care was given to maintain the existing trees. As a result of many of the village structures are built around the sycamores, making way for interesting architecture and forgiving shade. The stucco walls house a variety of art galleries, new age shops selling modern art and glassware, and restaurants, while the cobblestone streets and mosaic fountains providing charming, old-fashioned atmosphere. Many travelers highly recommend spending a few hours pursuing Taloqupaqui and checking out the local handmade jewelry, food, music, and especially the art. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please subscribe it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.